Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make this very beautiful rainbow colored fringe garland spaghetti strings. You can use this as a curtain for any birthday party, anniversary, baby shower, unicorn themed party, whichever party you wish to use it for. You can also use this as a room decoration, and you can also use this as a wall hanging or a door decor, a decoration for your door to hang it on your door. You can also use this for festive occasions. If you are new to my channel, this channel is all about party decoration, room decoration, and all kinds of other DIYs. So if you haven't subscribed yet, press that red subscribe button right now so you don't lose my channel and you stay updated on all my future uploads. All designs and all the decorations on my channel are exclusive, which you won't find anywhere else on the internet, so that's reason enough to subscribe. Don't leave my channel without subscribing. Let me know in the comment section when it's your birthday and from which country you are seeing this video. I have here 8 pieces of crepe paper. I have lime green, light blue, light pink, light purple, peach, light peach, and yellow color crepe paper. We are going to take one color crepe paper and we'll measure the length. I need 1 meter. I'm going to use 1 meter. It depends on your decoration. If you want, you can take 2 meters in length as well. As for my decoration is concerned, I'm going to take 1 meter. Then we'll fold up our crepe paper together in half. And once again in half, so that it becomes much more easy to handle. And next we'll check the width. The width of our crepe paper will be 22 centimeters. I'm going to use small pieces of 22 centimeters. Depending on your decoration, you can make it more bigger or smaller depending on the space that you want to use and decorate. So the width of my crepe paper decoration will be 22 centimeters. Next we will take one corner, any corner, and we will measure 2 centimeters. That's the same I'm going to do on this side, 2 centimeters. And we are going to fold it over on 2 centimeters. We'll make a fold line like this. Next we are going to take double-sided tape. Need small pieces. I'm going to take 3 pieces of about 1 centimeter each. We will open up the fold line that we made, and inside the fold line we'll place our double-sided tapes on the 2 corners and in the middle. Remove the cover. We will fold it over like this again. And we will take 2 small pieces of tape and put it on the corner, totally for the above section here, upper section. And we'll paste the tape, half for one side and half for the other side, like this. That's the same that we are going to do on the other side. I will put tape on it on the edge, half for this side, and I'll fold it over half for the other side. Now you have two places. One is with the place where you folded the paper, and one where you have clean place. On the side that you have no fold, you'll take a large piece of tape, large enough to cover this front section, and you'll place this tape carefully, as much as for the upper side as you can put it, and you'll paste it. If you don't have enough, you can take a small piece of tape again and make sure that you cover everything. And that's the same that we are going to do on the back side, where we have the fold. We'll take a large piece of tape and we'll put it on the upper section, and if you don't have enough, you'll take a small piece of tape again and you'll put it there. After having done so, we'll take the other edge and we will fold it over, not till this edge, but till the fold that we have here, till the piece of paper that is folded there. We will only fold this one till about there. Make sure it doesn't go on it, it doesn't have to touch it, but it has to be about till the same length. You're going to fold it over once again. Make sure that you fold it and flatten it out so that you can handle the crepe paper much more easily. And we will fold it over once again to the same place. And lastly, one more time. Make sure that the edges are about equal. Then take scissors and make at ½ centimeter. Make cuts. Don't cut till the edge, only cut till this fold line. You'll stop cutting on the fold line. Make sure that the cuts are maximum ½ centimeter. The smaller the better, but don't make it too much small, otherwise you won't be able to handle it. And like this we are going to make cuts throughout the whole paper. That's exactly the same I'll be doing with all the other colors. For our next step, we'll take the colors that we made and we'll take double-sided tape and paste it on the back side of our decoration. You can take 4 to 5 pieces of double-sided tape. If you want, you can take a long strip of double-sided tape. How you feel comfortable to place your decoration on the wall. If you don't have double-sided tape at home, I've made an entire video on this in which I'll be showing you different ways how you can make double-sided tape at home. On my decoration I have 5 pieces of double-sided tape, and now we are going to hang this on the wall. The first color that we did hang there was the lime green, and now we are going to hang the light green next to it. Next to the light green, we'll hang our light blue. The light pink, the light purple, the peach, the light peach, and lastly the light yellow. After hanging all these, we're going to open them up. basic to make the curtain. I have used 8 colors to make this curtain. If you want, you can use more colors, less colors, or any other color depending on your choice and depending on your occasion. Let me know if you did like this DIY. If you did like this DIY, don't forget to click on that like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please don't leave my channel without subscribing. Click on that red subscribe button right now. Do watch all my other videos and I'm sure you'll find any very beautiful decoration to make your occasion special. I have many rainbow themed decorations on my channel. Check them out and I'm sure you'll find something very great.